Okay, hello and welcome to Do-It-Yourself Recycled Material Birdfeeder. Simple materials that you can find. They're meat packing trays. Here you see one, just have one slightly bigger than the other, so you can have one on the top for a roof, and the lower one will be the seed collector. You'll see later in the video. And then you must choose some type of container to be your main seed holder. I use this one here as a coffee container, and you have an opening lid on top, which is good for filling it. Or you can use a cheese container here, which has the same option. Your choice, no problem. Okay. Also, you need a plastic coat hanger, small piece of vinyl tube, it's like a 1/2-inch tube, a little electric drill with a 1/4-inch bit, and a hacksaw blade. I like to use these for the cutting of the plastic. It's a little bit safer than using the razor. They can sometimes easily slip and you cut yourself pretty easily. Okay, you got some liquid nails, or you can use silicone or any kind of caulking you have, and a little bit of super glue. Okay, so first step is to trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time. Sorry about that. Remove your lid and just take it and put it down on your top, which is going to be your roof, and just draw a circle around there and simply cut it out with your hacksaw blade. Take your time, nice and slowly, and make a nice neat job. Okay? Once you've done that, you can take your container and you can put some silicone or caulking. I use some liquid nails around the top edge here on the flat part, and then you can push your top right on. Okay? You'll see I'll have pictures as well. I'll stop it here and I'll start it again. I'll continue on with it and I'll add some pictures. Okay, I should mention that before you glue the top on, it'll probably be easier to make your openings for your seeds to come out. So what you'll do is make a hole on each end, about 1 inch in. Okay.
Oh, hello folks, sorry about that. I lost my audio on my editing, so I'm going to try to add one in. I'm watching the video with you as I add these narration. And this here point I'm showing you where just make some holes with like a 1/4-inch drill bit, and then you can make several holes, and then I like to cut them out using a hacksaw blade because it's safer than using the razor. The razors get caught on these plastic is very hard. So use the hacksaw blade. Once you have drill about 10 holes in it, and then you can use your hacksaw blade to clean out the opening for the seeds to come out. That's what's going on in this portion of the video. And I'll stay with you continue to make the narration. But as I mentioned, I lost my video audio clip on the video when I was editing. Okay, let's see what's next. Okay, here I'm just showing you that you can use the bigger tray for the top, so you can have a roof over the seeds, and you put your smaller one on the bottom. Use some silicone, works fine, or liquid nails. Just put some in the middle and some on each corner, and just glue it down to your base. That's the bigger tray, so you can have the seed collector. I'm sorry, the smaller tray. The bigger tray is on top, so you have a roof to protect the seeds from the rain. It's funny, the seeds can start to grow if they get wet. Anyway, there you go. There's your roof. And there's the top. You can use that top to make a mark with a marker and just cut the hole out on the top. And then you have a removable top, or you have the lid you can flip up to make the add seeds to it. Okay, let's see what's next. I'm trying to do this filming with one hand and hold the pieces with the other hand, so that's what it's going to look like when it's put together. Basically, I'll have some pictures in there as well, so you'll be able to see that. Okay, and there's the hanger to hang it from the tree, basically, or anywhere you want to put it. Okay, so let's see what's next. Trying to keep it in one piece for you. Just an idea with the hanger is to mark where it's going to go, where you can make the holes. So there you go. Just make a mark where the hanger lines up. Then you can drill the hole out for the hanger to go through. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to cut the hanger at those points, at one point there, to put a piece of vinyl tubing on it, and that will be how it stays together. The cut is just so you can install it into the container. And once you've passed one side through the container, you can simply slip the rubber tube over each part of the hanger. You can put some super glue on it too if you want, or just leave it plain without super glue, so you can maybe in the future have to do some rebuilding or renovations, because they do get a lot of activity. I tell you, the animals and the birds and if you get raccoons, they're pretty hard on it, so you may need to make some modifications. So you can glue that, or you can just leave the rubber vinyl tube over the hanger. Your choice. Okay. Moving on, we have, just showing you again the pieces put together. And that's going to be where I'm going to make the hole for the hanger. Then I'll secure it with this tie wraps just to keep it from sliding. Bread ties. So basically that's how it will look. It's a fun project. I made a couple more since this one, and there's been lots and lots of activity. The birds love it. And one thing I did do, I bought some, you can use clear coat or epoxy, spray it on there as well, just to give it a little bit of protection from the weather and, you know, little small scratches and stuff from the animals. Anyway, this is the drill section again. I'm showing you how to clean out the opening for the seeds to come out. You just use the drill and pass it back and forth. Does a pretty good job. And then I use a little file, a round file. There you go. Clean it up. And that's it. Well, that's about it. I think you'll be able to figure it out from the video and have some fun making it. Make some for your friends for Christmas. Anyway, it's a fun project. I think you'll have some fun with it. And the birds like it. And it's recycled materials. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it and hope you have some fun making them. And take care, everyone. Bye-bye.